Hi, good morning. Paul here. Today is January 10th. Let's see what's happening in Las Vegas real estate here. Let's see. We have new listings on the market. Wow, that number just keeps getting higher and higher, doesn't it? Days on the market since yesterday. Well, one day is since yesterday. These are just coming in this morning. So let's see how many we have here. $156, and again that includes some price decreases and increases. And so let's find out what we got going on here. Back to number one here. Get into our price category here. Oh, there's day one. I think we showed this yesterday. Manufactured home. Ah, no, it's a different one. That's a nice little setting there. I think that's out of the area though. Let's see where this little sucker is. Pahrump. Okay. Well, we don't want to look at Pahrump. So let's look at, okay, here's Las Vegas Valley, a little condo, 2-story, 3 days on the market. That's not right. Okay, let's go here. And 503. Should be here in Las Vegas. Yep. So we have this little $130,000 condo. It's 2-bedroom, 1 bath. No garage. Built in '82. Oh, nice clean little complex. Yeah, pretty nice. That amount of money. Interesting. And they put the laundry in the outside closets in a lot of these units because there's no room inside. Nice common area. Alright. And we're dealing with 816 square feet. Okay, let's go to the opposite end of the spectrum. 3.5 million. Looks like this little guy here, White Hawk. 1.848. I think we probably looked at that yesterday also. Yeah, we did. So let's find, looks like 825,000. 5,500, almost 5,600 square feet. Pool, spa. Nice staircase. Not a lot of good ironwork there. Too bad they don't put the front of the house first. There's a nice kitchen. Too bad they don't have lights on too. Okay. Upstairs. Big I do see a pool back there. Nice kitchen. Nice pool. Like a little casita or something over here. Got lots of covered outdoor living. That's nice. A little gazebo there. Lots of, so you got 2 different areas here with lights, 2 glass doors. Looks like this opens up nice and wide. And 4-car garage. That's nice. Still didn't see the front picture of the house. Wonder why. Interesting. And that is 825,000, built in '87. Rainbow and Edna. in Spring Valley. Looks good. And what size lot is this on? Oh, half acre. Nice. Quiet cul-de-sac. Good deal. Okay. And so today we show under contract, no shows, 292. And again, we have no way of knowing this really when these went into contract without going through them all. But lowest priced is 59,000. That's out of the area. Also 75,000. On the market for 40 days. Highest priced $10 million. Wow, look at that. On the market for over 300 days. Let's see what $10 million can buy you. I think we looked at this before, but let's look at it again. No, I don't remember this. Okay. $10 million. Interesting. Indoor pool. Yeah, I've seen this as I was cruising through before. Over 300 days. Yeah, it's got its own tennis court. Yeah, pretty nice. Alright, and then 1.8 after that. Let's see what kind of expired. We only had 49 expireds. And they range anywhere from 13,500 out of the area, manufactured home. Let's get into 219 is in the area, up to 1.8 million. So I think that's about all we have going on today. So I guess I will let you go early today, and you have a great day, and talk to you tomorrow.